Let's talk about kidney beans. They're not just a staple in your chili, they're also champions when it comes to fighting cholesterol. What makes them so special? It's all about the soluble fiber. These little beans are packed with it, making them one of the fiber superstars of the starchy vegetable world. Now, why does soluble fiber matter? Well, during digestion, it teams up with something called stanols to tackle your cholesterol levels. Together, they work to lower cholesterol, which not only benefits your heart health, but also helps reduce inflammation in your body. And guess what? Kidney beans aren't the only legumes packing this cholesterol-fighting punch. Peanuts, lentils, and peas are part of the legume squad too, so feel free to mix things up and add some variety to your meals while giving your heart a little extra love.